Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Kwikset model and gathering supplies, because power and code access are essential. Remove the interior cover now and install the 4xAA batteries, making sure polarity matches the markings. This powers the radio and motor. Once done, locate your factory programming code or set a new one in the app, and open the Kwikset app on your phone so you can pair immediately. Make sure Wi-Fi or hub is available for smart features to work. Next, put the lock into programming mode by pressing the program button until the LED blinks. The lock announces readiness, so you know it's listening. Then in the Kwikset app, choose Add Device and follow pairing prompts. Enter the programming code when requested and watch the app confirm connection. Once paired, configure user PINs, set auto lock delay, and link the lock to your Wi-Fi or smart hub. This lets you control remotely and enables notifications. Test commands to verify responsiveness. Finish by testing every control: keypad entry, manual thumb turn, and app lock/unlock. Run each 3 times so you catch intermittent issues. If the bolt binds, recalibrate the motor and adjust the strike plate for smooth engagement, because proper alignment prevents jams and battery drain. If the lock won't respond, first replace batteries, then repair through the app. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: low battery symptoms mimic radio failure, so swap batteries before deep diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.